Hola mi gente, what is up? It's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to HALLOWEEK day 1. In today's video, we got our girl Frida. It wouldn't be Halloween if I didn't do a Frida kahlo look, but in this version, she's a soft girl. You know, what kind of makeup would Frida do if she was around nowadays? Soft girl makeup. So here we go. Queen Frida, yes. Starting off with the Milk Hydro Mist. Also the Rare Beauty, just to add a little bit more hydration because the Milk one is a little dry. My favorite foundation, Makeup Reboot in color 365 Desert. So just starting off with the complexion today. I love this foundation. I added about 2 to 3 layers. It's quite buildable. It's not ever going to be a full coverage. It's more medium coverage, but it just looks like your skin and it just looks so delicious and just melts into the skin. So going in with the next layer here, running it down my neck, going around my brows. I'm just adding a little bit extra to the center of my face mainly. Going in with some concealer. I'm loving this Rare Beauty concealer. My color is 270N and I'm just putting it under my eyes, and since it's a soft girl look, I'm going really into the nose highlight and contour. So we're running it down the nose as well, really putting an emphasis on a button nose. I'm going to actually blend out the button nose concealer last because I just want it to set a little bit and get a little bit more opaque on the tip of my nose. And there we go. No brows. Brows. I tried. Going with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Just prepping my lids. Now onto the lids. I'm going in with ColourPop Cosmetics Pressed Pigment in the News and just washing that all on my lid. So from my lash line all the way to the crease and pretty far into my brow bone. Just really adding a wash of color all throughout my lid. As you can see, I have depotted all of my eyeshadows. And I do have a bunch of Jeffree Star cosmetic eyeshadows from one palette that I purchased of his. I will not be purchasing any more, but I didn't want to be wasteful with these colors. I do use them from time to time. I won't be using them today, but I just wanted to comment on it because, you know, they're kind of front and center here. Wow, and as I'm saying this, the blue shade just shattered, so cool. Piece of shit. All right, so I'm going in with the ColourPop. This is a color from their Kathleen Lights palette, Dream Street. I don't know what's the name, but everything is going to be listed down below as well. But I'm going in with this really pretty kind of corally color and just kind of emphasizing it on the outer corners and the inner corners to make a halo eye. Going in with this clean brush just to blend everything out. Dragging that same color on the lower lash line and really smoking out the lower lash line. Again, going in with this clean brush and just blending everything. Yes, soft girl look. Let's go. Going in with this other color. I believe this one is called Moonbeam or something along those lines. It's also from the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. So just focusing that on the center of the lid and kind of blending that up to the brow bone. Going in with a little bit more. And I'm taking that same color and popping it on the center of my lower lash line. I'm going in with Bodyography in Halo. This is their pressed glitter, one of my all-time favorite products. And I'm just going to top where I put that Moonbeam color. So just running that on the center of the lid, again going up to the brow bone, blending it up. Yes, loving it, loving the eyes, I am. Gonna curl these lashes. I really love this like soft girl aesthetic because it's just up my vibe, truly. Oh, no lashes. Lashes, look at all the lashes. We're also a little blurry. Also, it's okay, it's okay. Look at the jewels we love. Yes, moving on. Gonna apply some blush, but first just gonna hydrate the skin again. Yes, girl, get your life. Gonna use Tower 28 Beauty Cheek and Lip Balm. This is their Beach Please series. This color is called Happy Hour. Beautiful bright pink color. And just going in on this blush. Now, I just love blush in general, so I normally go in with blush like this, but it's very soft girl also. It's very much the soft girl aesthetic. Just be super blushy, all on the cheeks and across the bridge of the nose and on the tip of the nose as well. Yes, kind of blending almost the eyeshadow with the blush, kind of making it so that's not distinguishable. Just gonna add a little mascara. Yes, wow. I never wear lashes, so obviously my placement isn't perfect. But away we go. Gonna go in with some ColourPop Super Shock highlight. This color is in On the Cusp, another Kathleen Lights collab. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop Cosmetic Lip Liner. This is in Beeper, and I'm just adding some freckles because, you know, that's very soft girl also. Faux freckles, you know? So I'm just adding some faux freckles with this lip liner. It's a nice cool tone brown. So out of all the lip liners I have, I feel like this is the one that looks the most realistic. And then just patting them a little bit just to make them a little less intense. Going in with my Maybelline lipstick in Touch Up Spice. This is one of my all-time favorite lip colors. And I love that it's from the drugstore, super cheap. Putting the color in the center of the lips and pretty much just blending with my finger outwards. Now to the brows. I'm using Brow Flick from Glossier just to add some hair-like strokes. And then on top of those strokes, I'm gonna go in with some individual false lashes. Now, this might be a little extra, but trust me, you'll see the lashes kind of like sticking out and it just looks very realistic. I have been doing this trick ever since I started doing freedom makeup in college, and you know, it'll freak some people out. Some people will really think that it's real. So, you know, if you're the actor like I am, you just kind of go with it and say that it is, it's your brows. And people are like, wow, they're so beautiful. And it's like, I know. This is a great trick. Yes, yes. Brows. Brows. So cute. We're going to intensify the nose highlight. We're going to contour now with the MAC Cosmetics blush in the color Taupe. Just gonna do that under the cheeks, on the forehead, and along the jawline. I'm also going to be contouring that nose, really intensifying the circularness of my nose. So really just intensifying that. The sun is setting, so the lighting's a little bit intense, but you know, oh well. Adding even more highlight and on to the clouds. Sorry they were blurry, but I figured that you would want to see this as up close as possible. So I'm just taking this Hydra Liner from Suva Beauty. It is water activated, and I'm just going in lightly to first just carve out where I want each cloud. And so for these clouds, I'm just kind of taking this rounded brush. It's like a nice dense little packing brush, and I'm just kind of making 3 little humps and kind of making a line underneath to connect them all. As soon as I got the shape and I felt comfortable with it, I went in with a little bit more of a heavy hand with that white eyeliner. So just a little bit more opaque. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. It was kind of like freaky at first because I figured I was gonna like mess everything up, but it is actually super easy and hard to mess up. You just wanna be careful with the Suva Beauty eyeliner. You don't want it to be too wet because it'll dry. It'll almost like kind of crack on you. So you just gotta be careful with how much water you add to it. Just adding all these clouds, 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 just adding all these clouds. Look how cute they are. I think this came out so cute. I was actually really proud of myself. So after that, I just went back in with the blush and I just kind of added a little bit of pink towards the bottom of the clouds just to almost just add a little sunset moment. Setting the white with this Morphe Picasso palette. And other than that, the look is complete, mi gente. I hope you enjoyed this. I have another video coming out tomorrow and for the rest of the week. I hope you enjoyed this soft girl Frida Kahlo makeup. Give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at GoGabiGabi, where you'll see some behind the scenes of all the looks that I have going on. I'll see you in the next one, mi gente. Remember to drink some water, take a breath. I believe in you and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. Hasta la próxima. Bye.